There are a few different places inside of our software that you can use our AI generated text feature and our AI generated image feature in the software. The first is going to be under the marketing tab under our social planner. This is where you can connect all your socials: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, and then you can post on those different platforms from inside of our software. I have my Facebook connected here, so I'm going to go ahead and click new post, create a new post, and then I'm going to select from that Facebook account here. If you have all your socials here, they'll all show up right here. And then you can have AI type the content out for your posts. I can click AI right here, generate with AI. I can plug in a title. So I'm going to do 10 steps for first-time home buyers. And then a brief description. Oh, it has to be a letter. 10 steps for first-time home buyers. Then in the description, I'm going to say, write a list of 10 steps for first-time home buyers. I don't know if home buyers one word, might be messing that up. First time is. And then we can add keywords. We could say home buyer as one keyword, new home, something like that. Use a couple keywords here that we want included in the text. We could select a writing tone. We can just do like professional. If we want 3 variations, I think we can go up to 5 total. And then small, we'll do a medium length, and then we'll generate it. It'll take a couple seconds, could take up to a minute to generate 3 different examples that it'll give us. But then we can choose from the different prompts or different examples that it generates. So it gives us the first one, second one, and the third one. I like the second one because they gave like emojis and things like that. That's pretty neat. So I'm going to select this one. I'm going to click copy. It'll paste it into our content. We'll hit continue, and then boom, it'll paste it into this box. We can go in and edit things, look over it, obviously make sure it matches your business and what we prompted it to do. And then we can also generate an image for our post. So we could go to this little image button, click generate image using AI, and then we can type out a description, a new home in a nice neighborhood. And then we could have 3 different variations. We can select the different styles that we could choose from. I'm going to do like colorful. So I want it to kind of pop when people are scrolling on Facebook. When they see this, we're going to generate this. The AI generated image might take a couple minutes to generate, but usually it's a lot quicker, like this example here. Not super colorful necessarily, but doesn't look bad. I'll select this one right here. We're going to continue. It'll paste the image with our post, and then we can post the image or schedule it out to post on a certain day at a certain time. So that's how the AI text and image generation works. And you can use it for a few different areas, not just the social media planner. You can use it in your email templates. So if we go to our email template, this is one that I was working on before. We can drag in some text, and then we can double click this. We can click AI up here, and then we can generate with AI, same kind of deal. We can also do it with our images. If we were to add an image to our email, we can have AI generate the images for us by clicking on this little image editor right here. Then we can hit create image using AI, the same. So that's how you do it in the email editor and the email creator. Then we can also do it inside of our websites tab right here. So inside of sites, we can do it for our funnels and our websites that we build. So let's say we wanted to do it inside of a funnel that we're building. I'm going to click edit on this funnel, and we'll open up into the funnel builder. And then from here, we can say, all right, let's add a paragraph of text down here below this button. You can double click it, and then you can click AI and then generate with AI, the same deal. It'll ask you to put in your prompt and everything, and you can generate some text for your photo. And then you can also add a video or a photo. So I'm going to add in an image here. And then right here, we can go over and we could select where we upload our image, and then we can hit use image or create image using AI, and we can have AI generate our image just the same as we showed you in the social media planner. So that's all of the different locations where you can use our AI generated text, AI generated images. It'll save you a ton of time not having to find stock images or copywriting and typing out all the text for your emails, your funnels, your social media posts. You can use AI to streamline that process and save yourself a ton of time.